Ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you to our listing presentation, sole and exclusive to Navigate Estates. My name is Renaldo Liut, the listing agent, and I want to welcome you to this property. This property offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a living area with a kitchen, a big garden, and also in a very safe and secure complex with a swimming pool and also a clubhouse. This 2-bedroom townhouse in North Riding, Johannesburg has a lot to offer and is a must-see. This property is only in the market for 830,000 Rand, and it is the perfect investment. Ladies and gentlemen, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment what is your favorite part of this townhouse.